guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. And this is...
My name is Raiden.
This is Raiden. He is my intro buddy.
And I love school.
No, that's a lie, but it's okay. So today we are going to be making these little appetizers. They're like sliced potatoes, but they're made... I don't really know what to call them, but basically, if you've ever watched my baby Hasselback potato recipe, which was really old back in the day. Back in the day. Then you will see that this is kind of like the same concept, but it's half the work because all you're doing is slicing a big potato into thin slices, and you are making a really delicious, almost like a loaded baked potato situation. I love this. This is perfect for like a get together. I mean, summer's coming. So for me, anything that I can prep ahead of time and then just cook and serve, this is definitely it. What's up?
Can you have it on dates?
Sure, you can have it on a date.
Awesome.
When you'll be dating in 20 years. Okay?
20, 30.
No. Okay. So I hope you guys like the recipe. Make sure that you click the like button so you show us some love. Subscribe.
And hit the bell so you never miss a new cooking video.
That's right. Hit the bell.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. I know we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we can work it out. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us